Morning, afternoon, and night. It's CBS 42 weather around the clock. Brought to you by Southern Home Structural Specialists. Now, the latest forecast from the CBS 42 Storm Team.
And a good Thursday evening to you, Chief Meteorologist Dave Nussbaum here. We are talking about some quieter weather this evening compared to yesterday. Couple of showers, few rumbles of thunder out there this evening. Tomorrow, a couple of showers as well. As we head to the weekend, a little less humid, maybe a rogue shower. Most of you stay dry. And then we're also keeping an eye on the tropics, watching Invest 94, potential for an impact to the United States and maybe a little rain for our area next week. So here's what we have for you this evening. Again, we're looking at a low chance of rain through 9 o'clock, some clouds, patchy fog. Low temperatures dropping down into the 60s tonight. It's a little cooler than the last couple of nights when we were in the 70s. It's not too bad out there. Tomorrow morning we'll wake up, could see a little patchy fog. Tomorrow afternoon, lower to middle 80s across the area, a few upper 70s to the north as well. So slight cool down in the wake of this front and maybe a couple of showers tomorrow too. And it's not from the front, it's from an upper level low working its way through. But that'll keep us fairly dry Saturday, Sunday into Monday. And then as we head into early next week, Tuesday through Thursday, that's when we may see that system I'm talking about. More on that coming up. Right now, though, you'll see on Futurecast, outside of a rogue shower tonight and into tomorrow morning, pretty quiet weather out there. Some clouds out there, some showers tomorrow, about a 30% chance. So pack the umbrella once again through the afternoon and the evening. Not looking too bad for those high school games on Friday night. And as we head into your Saturday, looking at some quiet weather to start the morning. And by the afternoon, maybe a shower. So I'm keeping a 10% chance in. But with that drier air in place, a lot of this likely will actually dissipate before actually making it to the ground through Saturday afternoon. So looking good for any plans you may have Saturday into your Sunday as well. So your weekend, Saturday and Sunday, get a 10% chance for rain. Warm, quiet, 85, 87 degrees out there for our high temperatures. Not looking too bad. Headed to the Auburn A&M game, 86 and sunny in College Station. Sanford at home versus Furman, 82 there at 2:30 on Saturday. Jacksonville State's headed to Hattiesburg, taking on Southern Miss, 81. And Alabama headed to Athens, Georgia, taking on Georgia, 76 with a low chance for a shower. Humidity is going to continue going down for the weekend, up a little bit early next week, and that's partially from our system we're watching in the tropics. Invest 94 out here, kind of north of the Lesser Antilles. Forecast models kind of agree now, a lot of them taking it north here, potentially impacting somewhere in the southeast coast of the United States. Now, looking ahead, we do have the two models we're watching here. This is the one we're going to keep an eye on, what would be Imelda, and potentially becoming a tropical system, maybe a landfall Monday afternoon, somewhere maybe possibly near Charleston, South Carolina. Now, of course, this is going to change between now and then, but the latest model trends are continuing to show this. While that would go inland here, spreading some rain, some of it could actually get into Alabama as we get to Tuesday and Wednesday. So we'll keep an eye out to see if this trend continues. Nothing major to worry about here, but something to watch for sure. So here's a look at your 10-day forecast. You'll see the spotty showers tomorrow, dry weather for the weekend, the middle 80s. There again, watching for possibly that Imelda doing something. And then a few showers Thursday, Friday into the weekend, but still looking a little cooler as temperatures dip down into the 80s there. And how about the lows getting back down into the 50s? And that's a look at your weather around the clock.